Hey girl, what's up? It's your girl Crystal Chanel, and I am back with day 7 for Vlogmas. As you see, I'm in my PJs, no makeup, got my glasses on. I'm super comfortable today, y'all, because I am doing Christmas decor in my house. So you're getting a little bit of true Vlogmas feel for today, but most importantly, y'all, I just wanted to show you on the computer screen how you are going to set up your email. The most important things you can have as a small business slash content creator. Everyone needs email, and honestly I had to learn the hard way, but that's what I made this channel for, so that you guys can skip the hard part and get straight to it. So yeah, if you want to see how you can control and have access to your community without being at the peril of social media and outages and things like that, go ahead and keep watching. Now, if you're wondering what is email marketing, all it is a simple way of saying you received an email address from your customer and you now have a way to email them. That's all that it is. In the bigger picture of things, it really gives the business a way to bypass having to wait for a potential customer to open up their Instagram, open up their Facebook, to try to open up their actual website. They don't have to wait on that if they have someone's contact information. Actually, a lot of these websites, whenever you go to a page or a website, you may see a pop-up box. It's going to say, hey, give me your email to get 10% off. It's going to say, hey, give me your email for this free guide or this free training. That is email marketing. They are asking you for your information, and a lot of times they're offering something in return, which will incentivize them to get that information. And a lot of the times when you are using social media for your business, you do not own that page. It's owned by this social network. So at any time, it can go down because of an outage. It can be disabled because they said you broke one of their terms and conditions. Trust me, I know it has happened to me personally, and that is why I am so adamant about getting this information out there. I do not want you guys to have to wait until later where something happens and now you're scrambling to get this information. Let's start the right way. Let's start from the top. I am going to show you what I do, what I use, and also my flow. Now, email marketing can get really, y'all, like really complex, but we're going to keep it simple right now because I just want you to have it. I just want you to set it up, and I just want you to understand how it all works. But as you continue your content creator journey slash your business journey, you will see that you can later create campaigns for emails. You can later create retargeting emails. Say if a person goes to your website or they click on something in your email, you can later send them special messages just because you know that they're interested. A lot of times if you go to a website like Fashion Nova, for example, and you don't purchase something, you'll get that email saying, hey, I'm reminding you to order. Like, it gets that deep, y'all. You can do any of that. You have to set it up. And that's what we're going to cover here. I started using Klaviyo. Now, the reason I started using Klaviyo is because when I started building my boutique brand, I used to sell plus size fashionable clothes, and I also was selling hair because I'm all about looking good and feeling good, especially for my women and plus size baddies. So I had these businesses, right? I had my influencer blog business. So I was looking for one platform I can send all my emails from, and I also wanted to be able to send text messages. Either way, I wanted all of my contacts to be segmented. What an email segment is, it's just you categorizing your emails. So if you have 1,000 people on your email list total, maybe 100 of those people you have segmented just for my hair business. Another 100 people could be segmented just for my boutique. And then another 500 could be for my blog. So whenever people sign up for your email list, you can actually on the back end tell the computer how to tag that person so that down in the future, when you are sending out specific emails, that person is only getting the emails that they want to get. Free plan on Klaviyo, and on that free plan, you'll have restrictions, but you'll also have certain things you can do. So right now it does show on this, you can do 250 profiles or less. You can send 500 emails, 150 text messages. So this is a great option if you want to be able to text and email straight off the bat, okay? this is an option you can do to sign up for. That way you can kind of get used to it. If you're watching this and you want to become a Klaviyo specialist, I promise you, learning how to do email marketing and learning how to do email marketing through Klaviyo will be a skill set worth charging for. I'm talking about $1,500 to $2,500 a month to manage people's accounts, because if you're doing your emails properly, you actually can make that 5 times to 10 times more in revenue for the business. I wasn't using Klaviyo to its full potential, but I was also getting so many subscribers and I didn't need the text any longer. So I stopped using Klaviyo. So now we are in Beacons. What Beacons is an entire link in bio software system, and I use Beacons because I love the fact that it's free. I use Beacons for their option when it comes to the media kit, which I'll go through that in another video. I don't want to make this video too long, and this is only about email marketing today. But I also like the fact that this is an all-in-one option where you can even do emails, automation to welcome new subscribers. You can do it to increase your engagement. Like, you know, there's different options here, and it kind of walks you through it. And if you go monthly, it would be $10 a month, and you can do 500 emails per month. Or you can do the $30 a month and have unlimited emails per month. So this is still a pretty low cost option. This is Flodesk, and these are the plans for Flodesk. Now, a little caveat, I started using Flodesk, it was around 2 years ago, so I am actually locked into the grandfathered unlimited plan. I want to say I pay $39 a month and I have unlimited emails, unlimited everything. I do not use their checkout option. The checkout option is like a shopping cart if I wanted to sell digital products. I use Stand Store for that. And I do realize I can use my email through Stand Store as well, but I've started using Flodesk, and I just like how easy it is for me to use, easy to set up forms for me. It's easy to send forms. I think there's more options when it comes to customization on how things look, and it just suits my needs. I'll give you my discount code, which is an affiliate link, because remember, you're going to learn how to monetize everything that you do. But you'll get 25% off. The plans, you can start for free, and you're not able to send emails on the free plan, it looks like, but you are at least able to set up your forms and landing pages. I think that's still valuable because you're able to see how it works. You're able to set it up. So I wanted to show this before I clicked off. Just a quick scroll through. You can always hit pause to look at it, or look at it by clicking on the link in the description box. Let me show you next why I use it and why I recommend it and how easy it is to use. And here we are. So this is my Flodesk, okay? So if you are on my email list, which is the Confidence Collective email list, it's completely free. If you're not on that email list, go ahead and sign up down below. But in all of my videos, I always have it listed in the comment section, in the info box, and I mention it also in my video, because with YouTube, you're getting so many people to come across your video, and you want to make sure that they're able to stay in contact with you. Okay, so for my email list, I'm able to go in here, I'm able to hit click new email. And when I hit new email, you see that there's so many different templates I can choose from. One thing I use this for also is for my freebie. If you are interested in how to make a freebie, what a freebie is, it's something you send for free as a thank you and as an incentive for someone to sign up for your email list. This is a workflow I created for welcoming people to my YouTube channel. When you go to your forms on Flodesk, what a form is, this is the part that you literally see as a customer or like as a subscriber. For example, I just started this YouTube channel, and on this YouTube channel, you will see this. So that is AI Crystal. That is my twin, Olivia. Okay. I taught you back on day 2 how to make your AI twin. All right. So go back to that video and see how to make your AI twin. But when you click on the link down below to sign up for my email list, which is the Confidence Collective, you will see this screen, and automatically you'll get that first email I just showed you, and I'll give you that free gift of that $47 guide. I can show you guys all of this in detail if you like. This is just really high level. In fact, I learned all this through years and years and years of figuring it out. But if you don't want to take years to figure this out and you need someone to walk you through it, y'all, I'm going to tell you right now, the best thing to do is to find a mentor. You can either stick around on this channel and I will show you for free once we get to that section. But if you need something a little bit more detailed, a little bit more slow paced, something that is going to be on your own time, let me show you what I also recommend. This is called the Ultimate Branding Course. It is an affiliate course, meaning I did not have to create it. It was already created by over 30 contributors. And the reason why I'm telling you about this is because I use it myself. I've learned from it myself. Even an OG pro like me, I learned from this course, and it's updated consistently. Okay. So even as things are changing with AI and you're adding all these features and different things, all this stuff, I can still go into this course and I can go to that section and I can learn on my own time. When I purchased this course, it was for $497. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking like, oh my God, Crystal, that's half $1,000. Are you mad? No, I'm not mad. I just know it takes money to make money. And I also know how to invest in myself. Okay. This is a business write-off. Okay. Like if you're serious about business, you need to understand how it works. It was a win-win for me because I'm actually learning from it too. So let me just show you what's in here. This video is not to sell you on this. I'm literally just sharing this stuff. And this is what's here. So look, we have all of these different modules that show you what to do from the start, okay? I can do a separate video on my favorite modules and things like that, but I'm going to go to the module for email marketing. Tells you you're converting emails, it tells you how to automate, and it actually gives you breakdown videos of how to do it. Over 450 videos, something like that. And all of these videos straight to the point, okay? This is a whole system I would recommend. And the best part about it is that it's up to date and it's taught from people like me who know the lingo, who have been there, done that, and you're going to learn valuable information from. Last bit I want to tell you is that it's an affiliate program. So if you were to click on the link and purchase it, I would earn 85% of the $500. That's over $420 in my pocket just for putting you on to game. Okay. And once you buy it and once you dig in and once you learn it and once you love it, you can recommend it and you will get the 85% in your pocket because you put someone else on. So this is something called digital marketing. This week, I'm going to cover what digital marketing actually means and the different types of digital marketing. It's one of my favorite ways to make money online. And you already know we are all about making money online on this channel because I'm telling you right now, there's so much money to be made. Hey, Future Millionaire. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Be sure to subscribe. Also, share this video with another future millionaire. That way they can get all the tips for free. Follow me on my other social networks, which is at Millionaire Content Club. Make sure you are a part of the Confidence Collective. It's free to sign up. The link is right down below because every single Monday, it is my goal to send out a newsletter to update all the lessons that we covered in one spot. And of course, thank you so much for your love and support. I will see you guys later. And as always, on my watch, there are no broke baddies. Bye.